Kitty cat. You need to leave that in. Just keep running.
I'm Timmy.
I'm Justin.
I'm Nathan.
And this is Three Old Tech Dudes,
Jeep Edition.
Hola, fellers. What you doing today?
Well, I let the car go by here.
I'm leaning up to
traffic.
somebody's shiny new thing.
Yeah, what is this thing? Looks like somebody put down some cash.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah? Let's give a little walk around here.
Yeah, it's my Jeep.
You sound so excited about it.
Look at that. Isn't that something? He's already got a duck. You already got a duck.
You got skeeters out
See, I
here.
gotta hurry. Nathan don't like outside.
Those things will carry you away.
Your skeeters out here are mean.
All right, well, let's get to it. Why are we talking about the Jeep? We don't talk about cars on 30TD much.
Yeah, so
What's going on here?
so right now I saw the, I don't have the coax done right, obviously, but I have figured out that this works, but I don't like it.
Okay.
'Cause I want to move this to the other side of the bed rail.
Yeah, so what kind of antenna we got here?
do something about
This is amateur radio, yeah?
Yeah, so I wanted to get this up above the metal pillar that's there because it wasn't. It was.
So you got
really
an extension there, I see.
So
Yeah.
I bought the foot-long one,
Yeah.
but it works because it kicks it up.
Absolutely,
enough
yeah.
to make that work.
Yeah.
So this is still kind of a in concept development. But the mount's actually a frame mount for like a round mirror connection or whatever.
Right.
So it turns out in the bed of this thing, there's 2 bolt holes that perfectly line up with that for reasons.
Right.
Because I'm going to say, cause Jeep.
Okay, yeah.
But they perfectly line up. I did not have to do anything. They just go right through. So I put 2 bolts through and then bolted this down. And then right now the coax.
So now you got run through your window. Got a
just because it's
Jeep Gladiator is what we're talking about here.
Yeah.
Fairly light model. So
2022. So,
there you go. All right.
And
So what we do inside?
so then on the inside, I'll have to go around the other side.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
So inside of this, I put on it's the CB mount with a universal CB mount because the mount's the back plate.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
And then this mount that mounts to the side of the radio is more of just a universal piece. I connected the 2 together, but you remove one of the bolts, this thing slips in, you put the bolt back in, and it puts the radio right here.
Right.
And I just have it right now running off that, but it's
So what are you running here? An older Icom mobile?
hang on a second. Turn the music down.
Oh, IC-4200A. Okay, yeah.
So this is set up to run, but I've got this on our local frequency.
Yeah.
I got another piece not here yet. I've got a thing from NFJ.
Slow down.
That'll actually let me run both frequencies, or both channels,
Oh, like a diplexer.
Both band. Yeah, it's a duplexer that goes into that antenna because that antenna is a dual band antenna. So, yeah.
Nice.
So when I turn this off,
It goes off with it. Oh, that's neat. Yeah.
So, and then of course this is Jeep because it's Jeep things.
It's looking good. Now you can get back on the morning drive time, and we just need to get on there. That's our problem. So.
Yeah, and I've been on it this week.
Have you?
And no one else
Talk
has.
to anybody? It's pretty quiet. You know.
And,
I need to re-rig my rig.
Yeah, you do.
So I got this mounted though. This actually works pretty well right now. I'm gonna finish where the coax goes.
Right, it's kind of temporary through the
And
sliding glass.
So
yeah.
there's other options, which I didn't bring with me. Well, actually, I did one of them inside. There's other options for where to mount. So there's one, the mount sits about here. There's a bolt that comes out of here, and it puts a feed through here, and it has this. Another one is that there's one that does a bolt here, and then there's some for like a light mount thing that's done here that puts the antennas right here.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
I just don't really want them that close to my face.
Right.
It's fine.
Yeah, I mean,
Justin says it's fine.
You're going to get cataracts eventually anyway.
I'm trying to avoid that as much as possible.
Yeah.
But back there, kicking that thing up with that foot-long extension.
Like your plate.
Yeah.
Man, where's the 10-ton winch?
I'm not done yet. It's a Lego vehicle, and I'm not.
Where's the light bar?
It's a Jeep thing.
It's a Jeep.
Yeah.
But back here, what I did to get this, because I initially had this set with just this mount, which was down here.
Right.
But this metal pillar, kind of interfered a lot with the signal.
Yeah.
Which it would. So I bought the foot-long adapter piece and put that on this, and it kicked it up, and it actually works a lot better now.
Yeah.
But to a lot of little ham radio things, a lot of other things I want to do with the Jeep, because Jeep, obviously. But there's some really fun things you can do with the Jeep. One thing I thought was actually kind of fun is the plate that's blank over there right now.
I was going to ask what that.
That comes out and you can put an outlet in that.
Is that right?
120 volt outlet, because it's got that built in.
Oh, so it's like an inverter.
Yeah, so it's an inverter. This is my next project that it is going to be years of project, because Jeep, all I really like this thing is probably the most
You've been
fun
looking
vehicle.
forward to it for a while, and honestly, you've had a good few years of your career and deserve it. So, in my opinion. So.
Yeah. Well, guys that work too are like, about time you spent money, spend some money.
It's kind of like me. I just drive old beater cars around. So
That's the way it is, man.
But
I spent real money
Nathan
a few years
spent
ago,
some
and I'll
real
never do it
money.
again.
Oh yeah, you gotta fight with it a little bit, huh?
I don't like that thing. I prefer my $3,000 car to my $30,000 truck that's now worth probably 10.
Yeah, well, yeah. I don't know.
He's talking about this thing.
That's aluminum, though.
It's aluminum.
Aluminum.
Probably won't rust.
No, just corrode.
Yeah, just corrode. It's fine. It's all good. I was hoping this thing would not have issues with the ham radio, because it's also there's no key, right? I mean, you just have it in your pocket, essentially, and you push the start button and everything else. It's fine. Jeep things.
Sure. Well, that's cool.
Hey, we hope you enjoyed this video. We'll look at Nathan's new ride and some of the radio stuff he's doing with it, planning. He's pretty proud of it, and I think he ought to be. It's pretty neat. So
it's not done yet. It's a Lego vehicle, so
that's right.
Speed it up, boys. Speed it up.
That's right.
there's a lot more Legos put on.
We're trying to get this between vehicles.
Yep.
Okay.
So hey, like and subscribe, enjoy. We'll catch you next time. Let us know you'll see more content like this, a little different for us. Till next time, I'm Timmy,
I'm Justin.
I'm Nathan.
and this is 3 Old Tech Dudes.
Jeep on.
Thanks for hanging out with us here on 3 Old Tech Dudes. Please subscribe to us here on YouTube for more tech old and new, tinkering at the workbench, repairs, ham radio, electronics, computers, and more. Please like this video and share 3OTD with your friends to help us grow the channel. We tweet at 3 Old Tech Dudes 1 on Twitter, and you can keep up with us on Facebook. Just search for 3OTD and look for our logo. Thanks so much for watching.